What's up everyone? This will be a quick tutorial on how to change your name on your Unverified GCash account. Unfortunately, there is no way to change your name on your Unverified GCash account because this is a way to prevent scams using GCash. But what you can do is update your name if ever you change your civil status and you'll have a different surname. To do this, you actually have to go through the verification process, which is to tap on Profile, tap on Verify Now, we scroll down here and tap on Verify Now again. What you have to do next is you have to enter your correct information like birth date and your name without misspellings, because you will have to scan your government issued ID in order to be verified. Make sure that the ID you will be using has to have the birth date showed up on the ID, a readable full name. Make sure it's the original ID and not a photocopy. As you can see here, I tapped on student ID, but you can actually use a different identification card for this process. Once you have gone through the verification process, it will take about 72 hours for them to verify your GCash account, and then you will be able to update your name on GCash, and then that's about it for this video. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, tap that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.